Hey fam, the word of encouragement for today is, now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. What's up fam, it's your girl Shareen Nicole and I am back with another video. In this video, we're going to be reviewing wigs that I think you can wear for fall. So stay tuned and let's go ahead and jump right in. So if y'all watched my last video on 4 things that you needed for fall or autumn, then you already know I definitely said wigs is something that you need because your head is going to be cold. And for me, it's definitely going to be a wig instead of a hat. So that's what I'm bringing you today, and that's why I'm bringing you wigs. I might be bringing you wigs this whole week because I definitely want to show you how versatile they are and affordable they are. Girl, go ahead and get you one on Amazon. You already know I'm going to leave the links below. So I'm just introducing this wig to you. It's from a company called FREEX or FREEX. I hope I'm saying it right. And I'll leave the links below like I said. It comes with the adjustable straps in the back, which I showed you. It also has the combs. Now the color on this wig is absolutely amazing. It does come in multiple colors, and right here I was just showing you that it says do not take the tag off while trying your wig on. That's very important. So you're gonna see that tag in a bit. Let's go ahead and get started. Come on fam, you can't tell me this isn't a fall color. Like, look at this wig. This wig is absolutely amazing. I mean, come on. This, like, it's like a red rust color. Like, I absolutely love it. Like, this is definitely bringing fall. This is definitely giving fall. Like, I love it. I am definitely here for this wig. It is super affordable, super lightweight, and I love it. So right here fam, I just wanted to show you guys that it is versatile, and this is what you could do. You could get yourself one of those finger comb clips and stick it right in the back of your head, and it's there. Like, look, that's a whole style. Like, that's definitely a whole look. And you can't even see any, you know, tracks or anything in the back. This is just, it's like beyond me. It's really, really good. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys that you cannot see anything in the back. So yes, you can probably even get a ponytail on top, but I'm not sure. I didn't try that one. But yes, look at it. I mean, the versatility on this wig is just amazing. And it feels so soft to the touch. It definitely has you feeling like Miss Queen, honey. Yes. Like, y'all, I could not stop running my fingers through this hair. When I tell you this hair was so soft, it's light, airy, it's like so fluffy. Like, I'm absolutely here for this. Definitely here for this. It feels so good. Like, if you haven't gotten yours already, then I don't know what you're waiting for, because this wig definitely feels amazing. It does come in multiple colors, and I absolutely love that about this wig. So you can go online on Amazon and choose a color that you like. But for me, this is definitely giving a fall color. Do not ask me why I thought this wig was giving me Charlie's Angel vibes, but that's exactly what was going on over there. And right here, I'm just showing you the parting and stuff like that. So it looks really good. For me, I like the parting white because, you know, most people's scalps are white. But if you choose to, you can go ahead and color that into your complexion and you should be good to go. I want to thank you guys for joining me on my Amazon wig review. Yes, this wig is definitely a yes for me. And we're going to get some more fall wigs in this week, okay? This is going to be a thing, at least for this week, of course. And I'll see you guys in my next video.